This video is going to be about indicators. It's actually not a very long video, but you do need to know this stuff. It is quite important. Indicators are substances that change color based on pH, which means they can be used to indicate whether a substance is acidic or basic. And there are two types of indicators that you need to know the colors of. The first of these is litmus. Litmus is a substance that turns red in acids and blue in bases. Litmus can be obtained as a liquid solution, but the more common form you'll find it in an experiment is in the form of litmus paper, which is shown here. The litmus paper can either be red litmus paper, which is used to check if something is basic, or blue litmus paper, which is used to check if something is acidic. If you have red litmus paper and you put a drop of a base on it, then the red litmus paper will turn blue. If you have blue litmus paper and you put a drop of an acid on it, the blue litmus paper will turn red. Note that putting a drop of a neutral solution on either color will not change it. So if they dipped this red litmus paper into this solution, it turns blue, we know it's basic. If they dip the red litmus paper into the solution and it stays red, then either the solution is acidic or the solution is neutral. To figure out whether it's acidic or neutral, you'd have to use blue litmus paper as well. The second major type of indicator that you have to be familiar with is universal indicator. The universal indicator doesn't have two colors like litmus does. It actually has a range of colors, which is shown in this bottom diagram. The colors which are kind of reddy or orange or yellow correspond to acids. The colors which are blue or purple correspond to bases. Now the good thing about this is that these general color schemes for universal indicator also match the general color schemes that were for litmus. One thing that universal indicator can do that litmus cannot is it can also indicate when a solution is neutral, and that is with a green solution. Because there is that diversity of colors, even within the acids or within the bases, it means that you can also use this for telling what the actual pH of a solution is. And often when you have universal indicator, you have a color chart as well, which you can compare the color of your solution to figure out the pH. So that's really the essential need to know things. You need to be able to take observations either with litmus or universal indicator and be able to link those to the acidity or basicity of the substance.